Hello guys, today I'm gonna show how you can create the scheduled cleaning in the NARWAL Z10 Freo. So in the first step we have to open the NARWAL application, then select your vacuum and tap on the schedule in the left bottom corner. Now you can click add, then select the time and the date. So if you want to, for example, set the 9 p.m, just select it and click on the yes. Then select the date. You can select just manually the days from the week, or every 1 to 4 week days, for example, so every 2 days. You can also customize it if you want to set the different settings for each room. You can just tap on the room, tap on the adjust cleaning mode. Then you can select that you want to vacuum and mop, vacuum then mop, vacuum or only mopping. So let's set the vacuum, for example. Then just click on the save and basically tap on the complete, and that's it. We have a new scheduled cleaning every 2 days at 7 p.m. and that's it. If you want to delete it or edit, click on the treated map and you can switch off in the execute and skip this scheduled plan only this time, or on for the all time. And basically that's it. As you can see now, it's disabled. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.